Hi, I want to show you a trick in Word for getting beautiful equations that you can use in your writing, teaching, all over the place. This is a very quick, couple of minute tutorial. It's 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes. Here we go. So if you're in Word, make sure it's a new version of Word. Go to Insert, go to Equation, and it'll allow you to start typing an equation. There's lots of little tools here for operators and so forth. These are clumsy to use. When I first saw this, I hated it because this has the capabilities of using latex. Without going into full latex, we're going to be using Unicode, but it allows you to just type and get what you want. Just type and get what you want. So here we go. Mean of x's. So I'm going to put that little line there. It's an underscore for subscript. And then when I hit the equal sign, look at there. It makes the x into a subscript. And then I'm going to say sum so that I get a summation sign. Whoa, hit the space bar and there's a summation sign. And then x divided by n and return, and bam, I have a beautiful formula. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay, so easy way, just go to Alt plus. You don't even have to do the insert equation. Alt plus, and you can go write in Greek, forward slash. Forward slash is your friend. Mu, subscript, mu, subscript, x equals. So the mean of the x's is equal to, again, sum of the x's divided by big N, return, and there I have my population-based formula. Very pretty. And I didn't have to bother with the insert. Now you can do the insert. You can go insert, equation, and you can use these up over here to get various things, but I'm here to show you how to make things easier. So let's go y equals mx plus b. Easy enough, right? That's simple. But we're doing regression, so let's do Alt plus y forward slash hat equals, and look at there, it puts the hat right on top of the y. B subscript 0 plus B1, B subscript 1, X plus B subscript 2, X caret is going to be for superscript. So we do underscore for subscripts, caret for superscript. 2. Boom. Let's do another one. Beta subscripted 0, 1 is equal to gamma 0, 0 plus gamma subscript 0, 1, and then I'm going to put in an X, and I'm just going to go ahead and make this a squared and put in subscripting. So if I'm going to put in superscripting, I go 2 and then subscript x superscript 2 subscript 0J. And look, it's beautiful. It's both subscripted and superscripted, and I didn't have to bother with going over here to my commands. More than this, you can write things like, I found that music predicts relaxation. And then go Alt plus F1 and 23 equals 4.56 P less than 0.01. And got some extra spaces in there. Space out of that and hit period, and there I am. It italicizes appropriately the symbols like you want for APA style. It spaces things out nice and pretty. It's really great. If you're writing, I found that music accounts for substantial variance, Alt plus R squared equals 0.24 P less than 0.01. Space out and boom. It's a great tool. Try it out. Bye.